Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Easy Cooking. Today we are going to prepare very yummy and spongy rasgullas. So without any further delay, let's begin with the recipe. So let's boil 1 liter of cow milk or whole fat milk. Once the milk is completely boiled, switch off the gas and add 1.5 tablespoon of vinegar or 2 tablespoon of lemon juice. After adding lemon juice or vinegar, just close the lid and keep it aside for 10 minutes so that the milk is properly curdled. Once our milk is properly curdled, we will strain it using a strainer and a cotton or any muslin cloths. Pour the milk on cotton cloth and strainer and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Once the excess of water is drained out, we will wash away the vinegar or lemon juice by adding water and clean it properly for some time. Meanwhile, the curdled milk is getting strained. We will prepare the sugar syrup. So for preparing the sugar syrup, we will take 3 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar. After adding the sugar, we will allow the mixture to boil for 10 to 15 minutes on medium-high flame. Now it's been 15 minutes that the water has been drained out of the curdled milk. We will transfer it to a dish and start kneading it using our hands. We will do it for approximately 8 to 10 minutes and in between we will add 1 tablespoon of maida. After we have kneaded the dough very nicely and we have got a smooth dough, we will divide it into equal parts and make rasgulla balls out of it. Our smooth rasgulla balls and sugar syrup both are ready. Now we will add the rasgulla balls one by one to the sugar syrup by making sure that the temperature of sugar syrup does not fall. After putting all the rasgulla balls to the sugar syrup, we will close the lid and let it cook for approximately 20 minutes on high flame. Our yummy and spongy rasgullas are ready now. Allow them to cool down for 3 to 4 hours and enjoy them with your loved ones. Thanks a lot for watching my video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.